Class, I am writing, class has been started. Is there any doubt regarding our last class?
No, sir.
Oh, very good, very good. If the question come, can you solve this one? Can you solve any problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
very good,
Yes.
very good. That
Yes,
confidence
sir.
is required. Okay, good,
Yes,
excellent.
sir.
Okay, good. Okay, so let's start this class. Let me off my uh, this one first. Let me access my hard disk. Then good NITR Rautilla course.
Sir, are you sharing the screen?
Yes, I will share the screen, but not right now. Just wait. Okay, just wait. I'm opening the slide
Yes,
first.
sir.
I'm opening the slide first. Hmm. Then it should on. Okay, so now I am sharing, and now I am sharing my screen. My screen is visible at your end.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
okay,
sir.
Yes, sir.
okay, very good. Let me check whether the recording has been started. Okay, okay, thank you. Let me check. Yes, recording has also been started. So now we can start our class. Okay, today we will still learn the Carnot map, but only for 5 to 10 minutes. Then we will start rest of the topic. Okay, of digital logics. Then we will start combinational circuit. Uh, okay, this is my screen. Let me open this one. Today date is, this is our lecture 13 date. Jan 1. In the early morning I had written 2020. Now I have corrected myself. This 2021. Now let's try to solve one problem. Here we are here to solve one problem. Suppose the problem is given by f of w x y z, then it is given by summation over 1 3 7 11 and 15. At the same time, we have don't care condition. And the don't care conditions is denoted by d of w x y z equal to summation of 0 to 5. What is don't care conditions? I will tell. Just try to learn the just try to understand the problem. I want to again simplify the function. Simplify the function f of, it is a 4 variable problem, and it is given by summation of 1 3 5, 7 11 and 15. At the same time, don't care conditions are given. You can see the don't care conditions, that is 0 to 5, which are not present over here. Okay, so in both region there should not be any common data, no common data, no common data. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
okay, let's try to solve this problem, and then I will explain what is don't care condition. So it is a 4 variable problem. So wx first, then we can write yz. So it is again gray code 00011011, then 00011011. Now let's write the first the function 1 3 7 11 15. So if we substitute those 5 data, I will get that portion only. Is it correct or not? Is it
Yes,
correct or
sir.
not? Okay, okay. Is there any student who is facing the issue to substitute those 1, 3, 7, 11, 15? Is there any student who is facing issue to substitute those data? Any student, doesn't matter. No student? Okay, good. Today is 1st January. Now, don't care condition. Don't care condition means I have to substitute cross instead 1. Okay, cross can be taken as 1, can be taken as 0, doesn't matter. Okay, so I have the don't care conditions for 0 to 5. 0 means this box, 2 means 00 10 00 10, this box. 5 means 4 digit na 5 so 0 to 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, so those are my don't care conditions. Let me use my different color. Okay, those are my don't care condition. Those are my don't care conditions.
Sir, please explain again, sir. Please.
Yes, sure. So don't care conditions means I can solve the problem. The function gives the 1 for this value always. Okay. At the same time, some positions are there. Suppose the positions in these problems are given by 0, 2, and 5. In that positions, the circuit will not affect whether those boxes carry either 1 or 0. Doesn't matter. So it is a don't care condition. So those boxes, that means this box, and this box, as per our problem formulations, as per our problem. Okay, if I consider those boxes, doesn't matter. Yeah, we can also omit those boxes also. But if we consider those boxes properly, then my circuit can be simplified in a that means can be narrowed down. Simplification can be narrowed down. So that's why we have to use those don't care conditions, provided in the box we have to write cross, simple cross instead of 1 or 0. This cross can be either 0 or can be either 1, doesn't matter. Okay, those don't care conditions will be normally are used to simplify the circuit. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear?
Sir, in this problem, the cross represents 0.
0 or 1, doesn't matter. Anything can be given. Blank boxes represented 0, like our previous class. Na, blank boxes represent 0.
So I was asking that in this question, cross is representing 0.
No. In this problem, cross can represent either 0 or 1. I told here, na. It can represent either 0 or 1. Doesn't matter. Okay. We normally use this don't care condition to simplify the circuit. If we do not use, suppose if we do not use those don't care conditions, I have 5 1, I have 5 1, 5 1 na. So I have 5 1, I can simplify the circuit based on 5 1. My circuit can use suppose 2 extra gate. But if I use those don't care conditions, I will get again all the 5 1s always as output. But my circuit can be simplified much further. So that's why don't care conditions are important. Okay. Is it clear right now? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, if I want to solve this problem, then obviously I can easily make a group using four element, and this group can be written as YZ. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then I
Yes.
can make another group using this one, and this group can be written as W bar X bar. So my function,
Yes,
my function f is nothing
W
but
bar X bars.
W bar X bar, na? I have written that one. Yes. W
Sir, you
bar,
have considered the X also.
yes,
in
we
making
have
that
also
group.
considered the X as well. I told, na? This
Okay, sir.
X will be
Okay,
used to simplify the circuit. Okay.
sir.
So that's why. Okay. Now you check here, this cross has not been used. This cross, let me use different color. This cross we didn't use, this cross. Okay, but we cannot leave 1. Suppose in this box 1 is present, so I have to consider this 1. I cannot leave. Okay, but we have suppose crossover here. I can leave this cross. Okay, cross is optional. You can use to make the group, to make a larger group for making a more simplified version of circuit, or you can omit it depending on the problem. In this problem, we do not have extra cross, so this cross we didn't use. We did not use it. Okay, now let me try to solve the same problem in different way. So here we have don't care, here we have don't care, here we have don't care, then 1 1 1 1 1. Let me write this one. So it is wx, it is yz, it is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So now this is compulsory. I have to make this one always, make this 4 1. So from this I will get always yz. In this problem, I have taken the first row. Now I can make another group using that 4 1. That means 3 1. That means let me use red color. Using this one, and this can be named as it is
W bar Z bar.
W bar Z
and
X
Z
bar
and
Z.
Z.
Z bar.
W
Z
bar
bar.
and Z, not Z bar.
Z sir, Z, yes sir. Z.
Yes,
Z.
sir. W bar
Correct.
Z.
Yes. So now the function is nothing but W bar Z plus YZ. Okay. The thing is that in this problem, we can have 2 or more than 2 number of solution because of the existence of don't care conditions. Because we are here, that means these don't care conditions give the flexibility whether to consider other boxes or not. Okay. So in this problem, in the second solution, we did not consider this one and this one. So 2 don't care condition has not been, that means have not been used. On the other hand, in the first solution, solution number 1, we have used 2 don't care conditions and we didn't use a single don't care conditions out of 3 don't care conditions. So in this way, when we have when we have a problem, that means simplifications of a particular circuit using K-map, at the same time we have don't care conditions, I can have more than one solution. I can have more than one solution. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, we can,
Okay.
sir, can we consider the 3 possibilities, sir?
Okay.
Means,
in this problem,
sir,
bolo.
means sir, first row and third column and
First
means
row, third
the
column.
middle.
First row and third column, they are not adjacent ना. First row and third column कौन सा अच्छी तरह से बोलो कौन सा. Suppose I am writing
नहीं
those
सर,
box.
मैं बोल रहा था कि सर आपने पहले कंडीशन में सिर्फ 2 ही रो को कंडीशन, 2 ही मतलब एक रो एक कॉलम को कंडीशन कंसीडर किया है.
हाँ.
और सेकंड में आपने सिर्फ एक कॉलम और वो
2 row. Hello, my voice is audible? Hello.
हेलो
Yes,
सर,
sir.
आई
हाँ,
कैन
yes, yes.
Yes,
बोलो,
sir, you are
बोलो.
audible.
तुम क्या बोल रहे थे बोलो तुम क्या बोल रहे थे बोलो.
सर मैं बोल रहा था कि फर्स्ट कंडीशन में हमने 2 को कंसीडर किया है, मतलब पहला रो और थर्ड कॉलम को.
नहीं, I said don't focus on row or column. Don't focus in this way. The thing is that you have to make the group using all ones. All one has to be considered. To make that group, I have used the third column first. Then this one has been left. To combine this one, I have used the first row. Okay, in this way we got 2 solutions, W bar, X bar and YZ. But in the other case, the same problem can be solved. To consider this one, I can make another kind of pair using another don't care condition. So from this, I got W bar Z. Okay. So two solutions are possible. Don't focus on
Sir,
row and
both the
column.
solutions same.
Both solutions are same because my functions, my output should be this one. This is my output, na? That means at the
Sir.
final circuit, I should get in these positions, I should get 1, and this 1 are over here. So final solutions will be same. Okay.
Okay, so that's
Hello,
I'm asking
sir.
only कि final solution is the same.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Bolo.
Sir, in the first solution, can't we have the third term also regarding these 4?
Third term means
Yes, sir. Third term means 1 and of x. This combines to form a quadrant.
in the first solution you want to make first don't care and this one. Agree?
Yes, sir.
No, you cannot do it. The thing is that the four possibility are there means four boxes are adjacent, na? I told several times in the yesterday's class, if the four adjacent boxes are available, you have to use four box. Okay. Otherwise, what will happen? So further simplifications may be required. Okay. Is it clear right now?
Okay, sir.
And what if in the first that means if we consider the third x also by
Third
making a
x,
quadrant, 3 ones and that x
Sir,
that
sir,
we have.
I was telling, sir,
three ones and this one, that we have done over here, na? In this solution too.
We will consider that too in that solution only.
So I'm not getting what you are telling.
Sir, actually, sir, what we have used in the second solution, the third column, and the
Your voice is breaking. That's why I am unable to get your voice. That means what you are trying to say.
Someone is muting, sir. Someone is muting in the middle of the discussion.
Just wait.
Someone is muting continuously,
Just
sir.
wait. Okay. Just wait.
someone is muting, sir.
हाँ,
Repeatedly.
just wait. वो मुझे प्रोसेस सिखा दिया था तुम लोगों ने. Now I think there will be no issue, I believe. ठीक है?
So someone is muting
Yes, sir.
continuously.
Okay.
Sir,
Now, yes.
someone is removing also.
No, now
Yes,
now
sir.
no one
It will
can do.
not happen now.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
Now बोलो.
Sam,
What is
I'm
the issue?
saying,
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
I'm saying, what
Oh,
if we
in-
include that x in the first solution too? Can't we? Shouldn't we include that?
Wait. In the first solutions, we got two term. Okay. Now
Yeah.
we have another don't care conditions. Okay. You are focusing on these don't care conditions. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now
Third
you
one.
observe. Now you observe. Is there anyone once is left? Is there anyone extra one? Yes or no?
No, sir. No, sir.
So we can leave that extra don't care condition. Our
We
object
should or we can.
we can always. But the thing is that if you want to consider this don't care condition, okay, then
Yes, sir.
what will happen? Suppose you are making these boxes using again there will be another extra term. Suppose
Yes,
the
sir,
extra
there
term will be w bar x and then it will give z. So this term is unnecessary, na? We don't need.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Our
sir.
main objective is to find, that means to recombine all ones, not to recombine all don't care.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
So
if it
that's
is
why.
possible, sir, if it is possible to combine all the ones, not using any don't care, so we will go through that only, right?
Yes. So left all don't care. So left all don't care. You observe here
Okay,
we
sir.
have
Okay,
left one don't care. Here we have left two don't cares. Okay, we
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
bother about don't care. We will bother about only one, whether all ones are accounted or not. Okay. So for that reason we cannot write that one. Okay. So this
Yes,
is
sir.
not.
Got it.
Okay. Very good.
Sir, by
Sir,
the both methods, we got different results. So are both
Yes.
correct?
Both correct. The thing now you observe, our objective is to find this solution 1, 3, 7, 11, 15. Okay, it doesn't mean the rest of the 2, 0, 2, 5. It can take any value, either 1 or 0 doesn't matter. We should get the output in this desired location. This location, suppose A, this location B, this location C, this location D, this location E. We should get one from A to E. We don't bother about rest of the location. Now you observe in the first solution, A to E all are accounted. So if I give the output, that means input, specific input, I will get always one from A to E in this solution. Similarly, in this solution also A, B, C, D, E, all ones related to A to E are also accounted. Okay, so two functions can be different because the existence of don't care conditions. Okay, but output will be same. Our output is this one. We don't bother about this one. Okay. So can we go to the next topic? I will give some
Yes,
problem.
sir.
Then you solve it. Then the concept will be clear. Okay. Now, what is min term? Suppose I have one problem. If and it has a 3 variables, suppose x, y, z, and I'm writing some functions means suppose m0, m1, m2 and m4 are available. Rest of the things are 0. That means 0 to 7. Out of 0 to 7 we have only 0, 1, 2 and 4. Okay, now each term, that means this m1, this m0, or if I write m belongs to I, where I equal to 0, 1, 2, 4, okay, should be a function of all input variable. Are you getting my point? All m term should be a function of all input variable. Suppose I am writing two solution f equal to x plus yz. How many variables? 3 input variables over here, x, y, z. Okay, but those are not min term. Okay, the thing is that if I write f equal to x, y, z prime, suppose x bar y, z, then those are min term. Are you getting my point?
No, sir. But
Okay.
what's meaning of midterm?
Okay. I am repeating. Don't worry. Suppose I have one function which has 3 variables. Okay, suppose I have one function which has 3 input variable, and using K-map, I have simplified the solution. Okay, now the solution also contain the 3 variable, but in distinct form. That means it is not a summation of product form. It is not a summation of product form, because this term it is a function of x only. We do not have y and z variable on the but if we write any term in this way, okay, where each m, suppose it is m0 plus it is m1 plus it is m2, suppose another term is there x, y, z prime, then suppose I have another term x, y, and suppose it is m3 term. Now
sir, x, y, z prime get doubled.
x, y, z prime, okay, तो इसको बाहर कर दो.
We have written it double.
Okay, so we have that means remove this double. Okay, now this is m term, m0 term. How many variables are there in this m1 term, m0 term? 3 variables.
3 variables.
Now in the m1 term 3 variables are there, all 3 input variables. m2 terms 3 input variables are there. Now what about m3 term? What about m3 term?
2 variables.
2 variables. So it is not min term. It is not min term. Okay, we have to add z also.
So it implies that the terms containing all the variables
Yes,
are called
all
min
the input
terms.
variable. Each term should contain all the input variable. Okay, is it clear right now? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now suppose I have one problem. Suppose I have one problem, and this problem is given. Is it min term or not? First of all, is it min term or not?
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
But the question is, I have to express this as a min term. Min term means it should be a product of sum. Oh, no, product of
Sum of
product of sum.
product.
Sum of product.
Sir.
Sum of product, SOP. Okay, now how to generate? Okay, now suppose I have a this term. In this term, how to what we have to introduce? I have to introduce B and C. Agree? In this term, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
In this term, what we have to introduce?
Yes.
We have to introduce a variable. Okay. Now let's solve. Can we write this term? This a can we write this term in this way? This a term can we write?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
B
sir.
bar, C bar,
Yes, sir.
can we write in this fashion? Can we write
Yes,
in
sir.
this fashion? Okay, now multiply. Now multiply AB plus A B bar. and you multiply over here a b bar c plus a bar b bar c. Those last two terms are min term. Okay, but first two terms are still not min term because c is absent. C is absent.
Yes, sir, we can introduce C here also.
Yes, yes.
C
Again,
plus C bar.
plus C
In the
bar.
first bracket, we can use C and P plus B bar C.
C plus C bar.
Yes, in the first term you can also introduce C plus C bar directly. Okay, but it is always better to do one by one as per our input variable A, B, C. Okay, so in this way we can easily avoid the error if it is occurring in the middle term. Okay, so we can avoid the error. So finally I will get A, B, C plus A, B, C bar plus A, B bar C plus A, B bar, C bar. Now last two term, that means A, B bar, C plus A bar, B bar, C. Now is there any repetitions? You check whether is there any repetition or not. No, there is no repetition. No, there is repetition. You check this term and this term.
Yes, sir.
Yes, repetition is there, na? After
Yes,
introducing
sir.
A and C bar, repetition.
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
I will yes बोलो बोलो क्या है बोलो. So is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? Your voice is
No,
that
sir.
means it's not okay.
No,
No,
sir, no, sir.
okay. So I have two same term, so I cannot write two, so I have to omit one term because x plus x equal to x, because I know a plus a equal to a. So applying the same this rule, okay, I will get this thing. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in this way I can easily, it is the reverse process. We normally give this function, and using k-map we try to find this one. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now
Yes.
it is a reverse process. We have the final compact solutions and we are extending using all term. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good,
Yes.
very good. Let's try to move max term. If min term is there, so I should have the max term. The process is very similar. The process here we have to use product of sum. Here we have to use product of sum. POS.
Sir, maximum is maximum.
Max. It is the nomenclature.
Okay, sir.
Maximum term, na? It is the nomenclature. Okay, we normally now you focus. It is the min term. Why? The thing is that if we have product of some form, I can easily simplify this solution using k-map, and finally we normally get minimum number of gate. Okay, that's why it is called. So that's why it is called min terms. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So as the one is using, so that's why it is a min term. If we are using 0, it will be called max term because we have only 1 and 0. So now here we have to use product of sum. So in this case, f has to be written, that means all the term has to be written in this way. In summation form. So and so on.
So it should be summation of single elements only.
Yes, summation of single element.
Okay.
That's why, na, because we solved one problem where we got this kind of solutions, I believe. Some opposite
Yes,
zero
sir. Using that zero.
Yes, sir, we
using that zero. Okay. Now suppose I have one problem. F of f equal to xy plus x bar z. Is it in product of summation format? Is it in product of summation format? I believe no.
it's no, sir.
But I have to convert it. Okay, I have to convert it. Now how to convert? Before converting, I have to apply some mathematical formula. I believe you can remember this formula. We have written this formula. if we have a plus bc, I can write it in this form: a plus b into a plus c. So this is my formula. Okay, you can easily prove it. So this formula can be written in this way. Can we write? Yes, x prime plus xy, then z plus xy. Can we write this formula in this way using that formula?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now again we have this kind of formula. So again we can extend the same formula. We are expressing this formula in this way. Okay. Then z plus x plus y. Okay. So this formula is written over here. Yes or no? Okay, let me remove this line. Otherwise, if somebody can think it is a it is better to use different color. So I have used this line. I have used this, that means written this expression in this form. Okay, only this part. Up to this, is there any doubt? Up to this, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
What is the value of this term? 1.
1.
1.
So it is 1. So we can omit it. We can omit it. So it is better to write x first. Okay. It is better to write y first. Up to this, is there any doubt? Up to this, is there any doubt? Okay. Now in this expression, we do not have z, because finally we have to introduce in this form, na, product of sum.
Yes, sir.
So we do not have z. So to introduce z, can I write this term to introduce in this factor?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
z bar equal to 0. So similarly, x plus y, don't write over here, y plus y bar equal to 0. Then y plus z plus x bar equal to 0. Now apply the same rule. Okay, I am writing this term only. I am writing this term. Okay. So x prime plus y plus z, x prime plus y plus z prime. Can we write this term in these two factor? I have used this formula.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is there any student who is facing issue?
Yes.
Is there any student? Any student? Anyone?
Sir, I have a doubt.
हाँ बोलो, कहाँ पे डाउट है बोलो.
Sir, where does the formula came from?
We have proved this one, na? Earlier during our class.
Yes, sir.
We have did it.
We have did in the class.
Yes,
You
sir.
follow-
We did it, sir. We did it, sir.
follow
did
my
it.
class. You will get all those things. Otherwise you can multiply. You can multiply the right hand side and you can simplify. You will get this result. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, is there anyone is there who is facing doubt? Is there anyone who is facing issue? Any student?
Sir, can you please repeat the last step?
Okay, last step. Now, in the last step, I am writing the first term only. Only focus on this term, this bracket term. I am using this formula. If I have a plus bc in coupled form, then I can write a plus b then into a plus c. Here x prime y equal to nothing but a, and
Yes.
z prime is nothing but bc. Then can we write this term in this way?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I have applied this formula. Similarly,
Similarly,
हाँ बोलो. Similarly, the second line we can write From the second line, can we write this term from the second line, second term?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, very good, very good. Then from the third term y plus z plus x, y plus z plus x bar. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you observe, I think this term is double. This term is double. And is there any other term? X, and this term is also double. This term is also double. Okay, so I can omit one because a into a is nothing but a. Okay, so I can write x prime y plus z. So x prime plus y plus z prime, then x plus y plus z, then x plus y prime plus z. Now this fourth term. So this expression is written nothing but in the form of product of sum. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, now it is extremely important. Before starting that one, let me wait first. Let me check whether I have started this recording or not. Yes, I have started this recording. Okay, now suppose I have f of a, b, c, and it is given by summation over 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in the K map, those boxes will belongs to 1, yes or no? In the K map?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, then summation over 0, 2 is not here, then 3 is not here, will belongs to 0, yes or no?
Yes, sir. Obviously.
yes,
Okay, so can I write f prime of a, b, c? Can I write this one? Because
Yes,
we are
sir.
trying to
Yes.
solve the same problem.
Yes.
Because
Yes, sir.
because if those are 0, so rest of the boxes are 1. That means the
Yes,
first
sir.
expression. Okay, so that's why the same problem can be written either in this way or this way. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
please
Yes, sir.
you repeat.
Repeat. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Of course. In the K map, it is A, it is BC, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. It is 0, 1. So 1 means 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. This one.
Sir,
Okay.
sir,
Yes.
sir, if we can take AB and C, it will be
Yes.
okay.
You can do. No, nothing wrong with that one. Then what will happen in this case? A, B, C, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. But in most of the problem, you will see this kind of nomenclature. But you can use this also. Nothing wrong with that one. Okay. So 1 means, now we are also using this nomenclature only. This nomenclature. So 1 means 0, 0, 1. 4 means 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0 kahan pe bhai? 0, 0. Then 5 means 1, 0, 1. This one. Then 6 means 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0. 7 means 1, 1. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear? Somebody was facing issue. Now in the remaining box, we do not have any data. Means we have 0 over here. Agree? Agree?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
if I write if I write only those 3 zeros only, and I'm writing A, B, C, and I'm trying to simplify, then I have to, if I simplify this 0, okay, I should get the opposite result, na? Because here if I simplify, I am using 1, but here I am simplifying using 0, so I should get the opposite term, so it should be F prime. Agree?
Yes, sir.
F prime summation over
Yes, sir.
0 ये वाला 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1, so it is corresponding to 0. It is 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 means 3, and it is 2, so it is 2 3. Okay, so you check my resultant is the same problem can be written either in this form or this form. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
now I'm writing using m0 plus m2 plus m3. Can I write this term using our conventional notation? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now I have to, my objective is to find f, not f prime. Okay, I want to find f, not f bar. Let's write f bar, so it will be easy. So it write f bar. Okay, so I have to use the complement in the both side to obtain the, because f of double bar, it will provide the f. Yes or no? In the as per the
Yes.
Boolean algebra.
Yes.
Yes,
Because
sir.
De Morgan's theorem.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
I'm using, so f is nothing but this term plus this term. So this term. Up to this, is there any doubt? Up to this, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So
Sir,
if I
sir.
now, हाँ बोलो.
Sir, can you please repeat your objective? मतलब वो जो F not वो वाला.
Objective means which wala? ये वाला.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We are trying to, that means what is our objective, that we are trying to learn. Okay, here we are not trying to solve one problem, we are trying to express something. Okay, so because my expression is this one, can we write different kind of expression to express this function? That is our objective. So to find that expressions, I am doing some mathematics, that means some steps I am following. Okay, so let's complete this one, then your objective will be clear. Okay. So up to this line, is there any doubt? Up to this line, is there any doubt? Any student?
No, sir.
Any student? Doesn't matter. Any student? Okay. So no student, then we can proceed. So can we write m0 bar? Okay. Then multiplied m2 bar, then multiplied m3 bar. Yes or no? Using De Morgan's theorem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then can we write using this one, because all bar, those are bar means na, those are 0, that means it is 0, it is 2, it is 3. Okay, so f of summation of 1 4 5 6 7 is nothing but same of f of summation, sorry, pi 0 2 3. We can write either this expression or this expression, both are correct. Okay, so one in the left hand side we have written the f as a function of summation, or in the right hand side means this one here, if the same f function is written using pi, that means in multiplication form. Okay, that is the beauty. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's write one table. Suppose we have x, y, z last one.
Sir, sir.
And
Hello,
yes. Bolo.
So previously M0 and M0 prime are same.
No. You observe na. First of all, here the summation belongs to, if I want to write this thing in box, what I will write? I will write 1 na. In the K map, I will write 1 na, corresponding boxes. Yes or no? If I try to write those number. Hello?
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा जोर से बोलो ना, I am unable to hear. So we will write 1. Okay, we will write 1. But the same problem can be solved using 0 because we have, just wait, let me use different color. But the same problem can be solved using 0 because we have 0 in other 3 boxes. Okay, if I account those 3 zeros, it should be in the complement form, na? Because here we are not writing complement form, and this complement form is written in this way. Okay, in multiplication form. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Okay, now let's write this one 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Suppose this first term is 0. I am writing arbitrarily, it doesn't matter. Okay. Suppose now then we have 0 0, then 1 1. Then this one, those are min term or max term? Those are min term. We use one for which one? Min term or max term?
sir.
Min term. So
Min
those are
term, min
min
term, sir.
terms. Yes, very
Min
good.
term.
Min terms. And let me use now different color. And those term, and those one. Those are corresponding to max term. Max term because they are representing 0. Okay, the max terms are represented using 0, min terms are represented using 1. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, good. Let's start another topic. Because we have less time, that's why I cannot leave, because we have another 10 minutes. If you want to learn, I can continue.
Sir, previous,
bolo,
sir,
previous
please,
slide.
yes, sir. I have to take a screenshot. Thank you, sir. Next.
Okay. Good, you are clever. Now we will try to
That's
learn.
brilliant, sir.
Sir, I have uploaded the notes of the screenshot, sir.
Okay, thank you.
PDF. By
Thank
PDF,
you.
sir.
Good.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Bolo.
Sir, I can see the slides. Are you showing it now, or I am facing a network issue? I can understand that.
No, I am showing my slide because now it is slide number 7. Is it visible at the in the other screen? Other
Yes, sir. We can see.
Yes.
Maybe his network problem, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I think I will suggest you leave this meeting and then again join. I think there may be some network issue. Then you can easily see that one. Okay. Because I am sharing.
Yes, sir. I am doing it.
Okay.
Again and again, but.
Oh. Okay. Just you try. Now here I am trying to. We are trying to learn another topic. It is combinational circuit. Combinational circuit means what is the meaning? We have circuit. Circuit means here we are learning digital circuit. I can use the AND gate, I can use the NOT gate, and I can use the OR gate. And other gates are also available. We are not bothering because we have XOR, NAND, NOT, lots of gate. Okay, we are not etc. We are not talking about those things. The basic thing is that circuit means lots of gates. That means gates. And what is the mean of combination? Combination means I can use different kind of gates. Okay, so whenever you are talking about the combinational circuit, means it is a combination of different kind of gates. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now
Yes, sir.
suppose I'm drawing one AND gate. What is the output of the AND gate? If
A dot B.
no, because we didn't give any input, so I will never get output. If I give input A and B, then I will get output AB. The thing is that although it is a AND gate, but I will get the output whenever I am giving the input. That means it do not have any memory. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now
Yes,
in
sir.
the combinational circuit, I am defining it as a CC, combinational circuit. The combinational circuit, it do not have no feedback. The circuit cannot have no feedback and no memory. If it is containing memory, then it cannot be called a combinational circuit. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? We will learn what is memory and what is feedback. Okay, feedback. Okay, let's give one example. This is my output. Then I am giving the input over here. So suppose A, suppose B, and here it is F. Now again F is coming over here. So in this case it is called feedback. So in any circuit which is containing AND gate, NOR gate, different kind of gates, but in that circuit some kind of feedback system is there in some position, then this circuit cannot be called a combinational circuit. Okay. In suppose in the same way, if the circuit contain the memory, then the circuit can also be not called a combinational circuit. Is it clear right now? So the circuit having no feedback, having no memory is nothing but a combinational circuit. Yes, bolo.
So feedback one I cannot understand.
Because we didn't cover this topic now. If feedback means if the output is coming as an input, again you check, it is my output now. I have written over here the output is coming again as an input, because here it is coming in this way, then here it is combination, then it is going in this direction. So again input.
Sir,
this is my circuit.
Means like a reversible process, sir?
Yes, reversible process. Okay, but do not focus over here, because we will learn one by one. Okay, because it is the beginning now, that's why. That's why you may face a little bit difficulty. Just remember those terms, because in the after combining, that means after completing the combinational circuit, we will learn flip-flop, then we will learn feedback. What is feedback? Okay, don't worry. Suppose I have X and Y, and I want to add X and Y. I want to add X and Y. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. What is the resultant of if I add 0 and 0?
0.
0.
0.
0. 0, sir.
So 0. Okay. What is the resultant if I add 0 and 1?
1, sir. 1.
1. Very good. What will be the resultant if I add 1 plus 0? 1.
Sir.
Very good. What will be the resultant if I
0,
add
sir.
1 plus 1?
1.
No,
1.
it is
0,
binary
sir.
addition. Don't focus on
1.
don't focus
So it's
on
binary or boolean?
Whenever we are talking about addition, then it should be a binary addition.
Then binary, then 0.
Also, you
Huh.
are
Zero.
talking about
0.
gates.
0, sir.
0.
It must have
Yes, sir.
Then carry 1.
carry on.
Carry 1. Carry 1.
So there should be a carry. So carry is denoted by C. So there should be 1. Okay. Now if I have two bits X and Y, and I want to add those two bits. Okay, simple binary addition. Then the output is nothing but is written over here in the form of S. So it is S, it is C, carry C. Here we do not have anything. So can we write 0? Yes or no? Yes, or no?
Sir.
Can we write
Yes,
0? Okay.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, here 0, here 0. Okay. Now suppose I want to simplify the circuit. Here I want to use the K-map. Always use K-map, because although the circuit is simple, but it will be easy. So here I am writing X, here Y. The K-map for S. Okay. 0, 1, 0, 1. Focus over here. 0, 1. 0, 1. Here it is 1. Focus over here. 1, 0, 1. So I can write the solution in this form: X, Y bar plus X bar, Y. Yes or no? S can be written in this way.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For
Your
sum.
gate.
For sum. Okay. So what is gate? That is different. X or Y gate. Okay. Similarly, I can make the another box for carry. Sorry, here it should be x, it should be y. 0 1 0 1. It is for carry. So only carry is this one, this row. So double one means this one. So C is nothing but what value? X, Y. Okay. So if I use one XOR gate, suppose I have two input, this input and this input, then XOR gate, this is S, and then I have to use AND gate. So it is my X, it is my Y. Can we write this circuit in this way? Can we write this circuit in this way?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
now,
sir.
now we are making one black box. We are making one black box. And the same thing is written in this way. And we are getting only S and C. Here we are giving only X and Y. So this black box is called half adder. Why it is called half adder? The thing is that it can add only 2 bits and the last carry is only free. If it can add 3 or more than 2 bits, then it is called a full adder. It is normal conventional. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
I think, is there any time? Yes or no? Is there any time? Can we continue? Or we can stop?
It's almost
No,
over.
sir.
Okay, it is
Stop,
almost
sir.
over.
Almost over, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, let's stop today. We will meet again on Monday. Okay, just wait 1 minute.